It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The aggressive exterior shows off a solid, athletic stance. Inside, the high-resolution color screen displays a world of options that keep you informed and entertained, while dual-zone climate control and heated seats keep you comfortable throughout the entire commute. And as serene as the ride is inside, this GLE is always safety-aware, with crosswind assist, pre-safe, attention assist, and front and rear crumple zones. Make the drive one you wish would never end. Come test drive this GLE today. Here's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With the athletic performance, amazing features, and incredible safety, this GLE garners instant respect. 5 adults will ride comfortably with ample cargo space enhanced by a power liftgate. From a website or app on your phone, Embrace connects you to your SUV, and dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, and heated seats help make the ride comfortable and fun. And while the ride is quiet on the inside, this GLE is ready to tackle whatever is happening on the outside with crosswind assist and attention assist. The premium SUV that started it all is still setting the standard. Come experience this GLE today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,